Today I have an old timer Schade 108 OT. OT of course stands for old timer, but it does have a broke tip. I love finding these on eBay, but I'm gonna go right down through there with it. But when I do that, of course, the point of the blade is going to be above the handle here. You can see that. But if you stick around to the end of the video, I will show you a little tip that will get this point below the handle here. Put the point back on that blade. It's very dull, so you got to redo the whole edge. Point right there is above the handle, right? So what you got to do is you got to grind that little bump down. There she is. You can tell it's all cleaned up on the inside, all the way around. Looks like a new knife now.